If you know you can do better, then do better. Your future self is watching. I used to feel stuck, juggling caregiving for my mom and trying to survive on inconsistent income. Every day I thought, there has to be a better way. And guess what? There was. And that's why I joined the Legacy Builder Blueprint. With its simple, flexible system that helps caregivers and busy individuals like me and you build income online without burnout and overwhelm. You don't need to have it all figured out. You just need the right blueprint and the courage to take that first step. So, do you want to build a life that gives you freedom, time, and purpose? Then send me a DM or an email or drop a comment on this video. Or you can visit my website for more information. And let your legacy start now.